Let's talk about a moment we all dread, the rental car counter after a long flight. You're tired, just wanting to get to your hotel, but first the agent hits you with, "Would you like to purchase our comprehensive insurance package?" Suddenly you're doing mental math, wondering if you'll go broke over a Kia Rio or risk it all and hope for the best. Here's the secret. Your credit card might already have you covered with free rental car insurance. Today, we'll break down how to use this hidden perk, which cards offer the best coverage, and how to handle things if you get a little ding. By the end, you'll know how to confidently say, "No thank you, I'm covered," and save real money. Ready to travel smarter? Let's dive in. At the rental counter, you'll hear acronyms like CDW and LDW meant to sound confusing. Here's the translation. CDW is collision damage waiver. It covers damage to the rental car if you're in an accident. LDW, or loss damage waiver, covers everything CDW does, plus theft or vandalism. Without these, you could be on the hook for the full value of the car. Most rental companies bundle these together, but here's the good news. Many credit cards offer similar coverage for free. Credit card rental insurance usually covers collision damage and theft, but not liability or personal injury. So if you damage the car, you're protected. If you injure someone or damage their property, that's on your personal auto insurance. It won't cover your stuff inside the car either. Still, this perk can save you hundreds at the counter. The bottom line, credit card coverage handles the biggest risk, damage to the rental car itself. That's where the real savings are. Let's keep going. Not all credit card rental insurance is the same. There's primary and secondary coverage. Secondary coverage is most common. It only kicks in after your personal auto insurance pays out. That means you file a claim with your insurer first, pay your deductible, and risk higher premiums. Primary coverage is the gold standard. It handles the claim directly, so your personal insurance is never involved. No deductible, no rate hikes, no paperwork with your own insurer. If you want the easiest, most hassle-free experience, look for a card with primary coverage. It's the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major headache. Check your card's benefits guide to see which type you have. If you travel often, primary coverage is a game changer. It keeps your driving record clean and your wallet happy. That's the kind of perk you want in your corner. Let's see which cards offer it. On to the next scene. Want primary coverage? Here are the top cards to consider. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card is a favorite book and pay for your rental with it. Decline the rental company's CDW and you're covered for theft and collision. The Chase Sapphire Reserve offers similar coverage, plus premium travel perks, but with a higher annual fee. Some premium American Express cards offer primary coverage if you enroll in their program for a small fee per rental. The Capital One Venture X Rewards card is another strong option, with primary coverage included. Always read your card's fine print to confirm details. These cards consistently lead the pack for rental car protection. Do your homework, pick the right card, and you're set. Now let's talk about how to say no at the counter. You've got your card, you're ready, and the agent asks about insurance. Just smile and say, "No, thank you. I have coverage through my credit card." If they push, politely repeat, "I appreciate it, but I'm relying on my card's benefits." No need to debate, just be confident. Before you drive off, do a quick inspection. Walk around the car, check for scratches, dents, or scuffs. Take a video with your phone, inside and out, noting any imperfections. Get the mileage and fuel level on camera. Email the video to yourself for a time-stamped record. This protects you from being blamed for pre-existing damage. 5 minutes now can save you a huge headache later. It's your best defense. Now, what if you actually get a scrape? If you damage the rental car, don't panic. Just follow these steps. First, call the rental company to report the incident. If another car is involved or it's serious, file a police report and get the report number. Gather your rental agreement, police report, photos of the damage, and the repair estimate. Next, contact your credit card's benefits administrator, not regular customer service, to start a claim. They'll send you a claim form. Fill it out and submit all documents by their deadline. Usually you have 120 days, but sooner is better. Stay organized and follow up if needed. As long as you stick to the process, you'll be fine. It's easier than you think. Now let's see how this plays out in real life. Meet Alex and Ben, two friends on a California road trip. Both rent the same car for a week, $350 each. At the counter, Alex buys the rental company's insurance for $30 a day, adding $210 to his bill. Ben uses his Chase Sapphire Preferred, declines the insurance, and pays just $350. On day 4, Ben scrapes the bumper. He calls the rental company, files a claim with his card, and the $800 repair is fully covered. Alex pays $560 for his rental, no incidents. Ben pays $350, has an incident, and pays nothing extra. That's the power of using your credit card's rental insurance. It's real money saved and real peace of mind. Do your homework, use the right card, and you can travel with confidence. Why pay more if you don't have to? Let's wrap it up.
Lights are on.
Here's what to remember. Here's your quick recap. Check your credit card's benefits for rental insurance. Look for primary coverage. Pay for the rental with that card and decline the rental company's CDW. Always inspect and document the car before you drive away. If you have an incident, follow the claim steps. Call the rental company, gather documents, and contact your card's benefits administrator. This isn't just about saving money. It's about traveling smarter and with less stress. Use your savings for the fun stuff, not overpriced insurance. Have you used your credit card for rental insurance? Share your story in the comments. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, save big, and see you next time. Happy travels.